Yeah, friends, in continuation to the trigonometry, and now what we discuss is we are getting into very important topic as per the examination is considered, that is as per SSC CGL is considered. Most of the questions have been asked on the trigonometric values. Once you know these values, it will be easy to solve the problems in the exam. So then what are the basic values we need to remember? That is 0 degrees, what is the value of a trigonometric ratio at 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So what is sin theta at 0 degrees, what is sin theta at 30 degrees, what is sin theta at 45 degrees, what is sin theta at 60 degrees and what is sin theta at 90 degrees. There are many simple techniques available, but in the simple techniques, if you forget just one line, then you forget everything. So this is the best way to do the problems. So we'll try to go through the values, how to write the values. So friends, I'm taking an extra step over here so that it will be easy for you and for me to solve the problems. What I'm taking here, let's just see. So what I try to do is, this is some simple technique everyone will follow, like let us say this is sin theta. So I'll find the values for sin theta. It's 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees and 90 degrees. So what you do is, don't forget, just you take just you write the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now what to do, this simple technique, don't ask me why we are writing like this, just simple technique just to remember. Just divide everything with 4, divide everything with 4, divide everything with 4, divide everything with 4, all the values. Now you root all the values, yeah friends, now you root all the values, root all the values, root all the values, root all the values. So what will happen? What is the answer you got? 0 by 4 is nothing but 0, so the answer will become 0. 1 by 4 is nothing but root 1 is nothing but 1, friends, and root 4 is nothing but 2, and 2 by 4, this one nothing but 1 by 2, so root 1 is nothing but 1, and 2 root 2 is nothing but root 2, this is nothing but root 3 is nothing but root 3, and root 4 is nothing but 2, and 4 by 4 is nothing but 1, so that root 1 is nothing but 1, friends. So from here you can read it as sin 0 is nothing but 0, sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2, and sin 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2, sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2, sin 90 is nothing but 1, friends. So we'll try to take these values and substitute over here. Whatever we got, what are the values we got, just look at the values. So from the here, what is the sin 0 value, friends? Sin 0 is nothing but 0 you got, and sin 30 is nothing but 1 by 2 you got, sin 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2 you got, and sin 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2 you got, sin 90 is nothing but 1 you got. Yeah, from this we'll try to fill up the values of cos. So cos and sin are similar, friends, but it's in reverse order. So what will happen? So sin from 0 to 90, these are the values. Some cos, it will be in a reverse order, like cos 0 will be 1, so these are the reverse values. Cos 30 will be root 3 by 2, so this value has come up here, and cos 45 is nothing but root 1 by 2, cos 30 is nothing but this is nothing but 1 by 2, and cos 90 is nothing but 0. Sin 0 is 0, cos 90 is 0, so that is how we'll write the values. Now tan, what will happen? Tan is nothing but, you know friends, it is nothing but a sin by cos. We know it clearly. Once 0 by 1, this is nothing but 0. 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2, 2 will cancel, and it will become, what will happen, friends, here? It will become 1 by root 3. So this is nothing but 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2. Same number by same number, it will be 1. Root 3 by 2 by 1 by 2, 2 will cancel, so you will be left with 3. 1 by 0, this is nothing but infinite, we say. Infinite, so you can't divide the value. So in the same way, cot will become, friends, so cot is nothing but reverse of tan. 0 is nothing but, it will become 1 by 0, this is nothing but infinite, so this will become root 3, and reciprocal of tan, reciprocal of this thing. So tan and cot are the same, reciprocal, so this ulta, reverse it will completely, so this will become root 1 by 3, and this will become 0, friends. Then secant theta, it will become like secant theta is nothing but, you know that this is a reciprocal of cos, that is reciprocal of cos. Secant theta and cos theta are related, interrelated, so this reciprocal means 1 by nothing but 1, this is nothing but root 3 by 2, this will become 2 by root 3, and this will become root 2, and this will become 2, and this will become 1 by 0, friend, that will is nothing but infinite. So what is cos theta? This is nothing but 1 by secant theta is nothing but 1 by cos theta. In the same way, cosecant, this is reciprocal of this thing, so try to remember that reciprocal of that thing. Yeah, I will interrelate this in this way. Yes, so this is nothing but the first step will be 1 by 0, that is nothing but infinite. 1 by 2 will become 2, and 1 by root 2 will become root 2, and root 3 by 2 will become 2 by root 3, and this will become 1, friends. So this is how you find the values, and you can remember the values of each and everything. Yeah. So from this you can observe that sin theta is nothing but 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So what you need to remember is, simply you remember the values of sin 0, this is nothing but 0, and sin 90 is nothing but 1. This is how you need to, sin 0 is nothing but 0 and sin 90 is nothing but 1. You need to remember this one. And cos 0 is nothing but 1. So for everything you need to remember 0 values and 90 values. Cos 90 is nothing but 0. Tan 0 is nothing but 0 and tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3 and tan 90 is nothing but infinity. So try to remember when tan is 1, that is tan is at 45 degrees, it is 1 at 45 degrees, and when cot is 1, that is nothing but at 45 degrees. These are the values very important, and this is very important for as per sin and cot and tan is considered. These are the values very important. So when it is 0, when it is 1, this is very important. This is how you need to go through the values so that it will be easy for us to solve the problems. So then otherwise it will become very difficult in understanding the things. So what is the simple technique is, you remember when it is 0, when it is 1. Sin is 0 at 0, sin is 0 at 0 and sin is 1 at 90. So cos is 0 at 90 and cos is 1 at 0 degrees. And tan is 0 at 0 and tan is 1 at 45, cot is 1 at 45 and secant is 1 at 0 degrees and there is no 0 value. This is how you need to remember the values. Cosecant and it is 1 at 90 degrees, just like sine. So this is what the friends. So from this table you can clearly observe first two things you observe from sin theta and cos theta. What is that important is, what is sin theta and cos theta? If you observe the 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2. So compare the values 0, 1, these are two different, but these are different, not different, these are the same things. 45 degrees. So in the friends, clearly we can say that sin and cos are same at 45 degrees. In the same way, tan and cot are same at 45 degrees, and secant and cosecant are same at 45 degrees. So friends, at a particular problem, in one exam the problem is asked like this: if sin theta is equal to cos theta, then the value of tan theta. This is a very simple question. So for this you need not confuse that how can we say that when theta value is not given. So it's very simple. When sin theta and cos theta are equal, it is at theta is equal, when theta is equal to 45 degrees, then both the values are 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. Just now we have seen. So theta is nothing but 45 degrees. From this, what is tan 45 degrees is the question. So tan 45 degrees is nothing but 1 is the answer. This is how you need to answer the question, friends. Once you need to know the values. Sometimes problem may be asked, if tan theta is equal to cot theta, then what is secant theta? Problem can be asked like this, secant theta. Then you should be able to know that, you should know that when tan theta and cot theta are equal, these are equal when theta is equal to 45 degrees. When theta is equal to that 45 degrees, these are equal. Then secant 45 is nothing but how much, friends? We know that cos 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2. Then secant 45 is nothing but root 2 by 1. So the answer is root 2. This is how you should be able to answer the question. So unless you know the comparison values of both the tables, then it will be difficult to answer the questions. Again, come back to the table. So we said that sin and cos values, you know that sometimes problem will be asked in the exam, friends. Like one problem is given in the exam, and it's very important. Just you remember this thing, and once you know the values, this is very easy. And this problem is asked in many times in the exam. So the problem is given like this: if sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1, then what is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta? This is the problem. This is the problem which has been asked many n number of times in the exam. So friends, whenever these kind of things are given, just go through the table. Just go through what the table we have seen. So take two values of sine, you add them wherever you are getting 1, you see, just check it out. See here, sin theta plus cos theta is given 0, sin 0 is 0, and add these two values, it is 1. So theta means at theta is equal to 0 degrees, sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1. So by this simple observation we can clearly say that, by this simple observation we can clearly go with the things, and we can say that sin theta plus cos theta is equal to 1 means theta is equal to 0 degrees. So at theta degrees, theta is equal to 0 degrees. Put theta is equal to 0, this will become 0, this will become 1, so the answer. Then what happens to sin square theta plus cos square theta? Again you put 0, again you put 0 in terms of sin 0 is nothing but 0 square, and cos 0 is nothing but 1, so that it will become 1 square, so the answer is 1. This is how, this is a very simple problem which is asked in the exam many times, n number of times. So you should be able to find out what is what, then you can answer the questions easily. Yeah, we'll go through the next problem, friends. I'll explain one more problem. So it is given like this. This question was asked in exam like this. Just now we have done if secant x is nothing but cosecant y. Secant x is nothing but cosecant y, means secant and cosecant are equal. Secant and cosecant are equal. When secant and cosecant are equal, friends, it is at 45 degrees. At 45 degrees, this means x will be equal to 45 degrees and y will be equal to 45 degrees. This is how. And the question asked is like this, friends. If secant x is equal to cosecant y, then what is sin x plus y? This is how the question is asked. Sin x plus y is what? So we can clearly answer this question. We know that x is 45 and so answer will be sin 45 plus 45. So we know that because this from this we will substituting, so it will become sin 90. What is sin 90, friend? This is 1. So the answer is 1. So when you can answer the question, but once you know the values of these things, you can answer the question. So this kind of questions have been asked in the exam n number of times, so that once you know these things, it will be easy to solve the problems. And one more problem, friends. We will be solving many problems like this. And it is given in the exam that tan theta plus cot theta. These are the very frequently asked. Tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. If tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2, then what is the value of, the question was given like this, then tan power 6 theta plus cot power 6 theta is what? This is what asked in the exam. Tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2. Friends, you go to the tan table, directly go through the tables, so that you just check it out. Tan theta plus cot theta, you add these two, 0 plus infinity, you will get infinity. 1 by root 3 plus root 3, you never get 2. 1 plus 1, you are getting 2. At what angle, friends, you are getting 1 plus 1, 2? So this is at 1 plus 1 is 2 at 45 degrees. So you are getting at 45 degrees, this is 1 plus 1, 2 you are getting. So it's clearly saying that tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 2, means it's clearly saying theta is equal to 45 degrees. So from this we can clearly say that it is theta is equal to 45 degrees. So theta is equal to 45 degrees, friends. Go and substitute in the question. Go and substitute what is given. So tan 45 degrees, this is nothing but tan 45 degrees is nothing but 1 power 6. Tan 45 is nothing but 1 power 6. Cot 45 is nothing but 1 power 6. That is nothing but 1 plus 1. So the answer is 2. This question was asked n number of times in the exam. Sometimes he will be asking us to find the same question will be given and he will be asking us to find. So let us say this is 1. Sometimes he will be asking us to find tan power 20 theta plus cot power 100 theta. So the answer is 2. Same thing, this is tan 45, that is nothing but 1 power anything is 1 only. Cot power 100 means 1 power anything is 1 only. So the answer is 2. N number of times, whatever the times you will take, this is how you will solve the problem. This again. So once you know the values, you can answer the questions. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to solve the problems. Yeah, friends. Once you go through the tables, so that we can write some problems. So that what are the problems we can write? We'll see now. Yeah, with the help of we'll take and. Yeah, I'm removing all these things. We'll try to write the range of each and everything so that it will be easy for us to solve the problems. So friends, so just check it out the table. Once what are the values given in the table, just check it out. Just check it out the table values in the table so that what will happen we'll see. Yeah, friends, you check it out the values. Sin 0 to 90. What is happening from sin 0 to 90? Sin value is started at 0 and it is ending at 1. So the range of sin is starts at 0 and let us take a number line. And you observe the values of sin 0. You write the values in your notes so that it will be easy while discussing the things. Just write a number line, draw a number line. So that number line will be like, it will be minus infinity, it will be plus infinity. And if I take this is 0, somewhere it will be 0, and if I take somewhere it will be minus 1, somewhere it will be plus 1. So this is how. So if you take the sin values, it starts at 0 and it ends with 1. So in the same way, negative side also it goes. So the range of sin, we say, friends, it is between 0 to 1. 0 to 1. Range of sine is nothing but 0 to 1. In the same way cos, range of sine and cos is nothing but 1 to 1. So we write like sine theta and cos theta belongs to minus 1 to 1. Means if anywhere in the exam, if the value of sine theta is given 100, that's a blunder. That's a very blunder we say. So sine theta and cos theta values never goes beyond 1 and beyond minus 1. So it's always less than 1, it's always less than minus 1. It's always greater than minus 1. Minus 1 to 1 it lies. And if you go to cos theta, friends, just sine and cos it is finished. Now you check it out for tan. It started at 0 and it is ending at infinity. So tan range will be from here it is 0 to infinity, in the same way in the negative side. So tan range will be from, friends, it will be from tan theta range will be minus infinity to plus infinity, in the same way cot theta, because these are same. So tan theta and cot theta range will be range of tan theta and cot theta. Yeah, friends. So tan theta and cot theta range will be any number. So tan theta can be equal to minus 1 lakh, plus 1 lakh. That's how you'll be getting. So then what about cot theta and secant theta? You clearly observe in secant theta and cosecant theta, here and here in this line, secant theta and cosecant theta, you never get 0. You never get 0 in secant theta and cosecant theta. So the secant theta cosecant ranges doesn't go beyond 1. This is secant theta and cosecant theta, and the range is nothing but here. It never goes less than 1, secant theta and cosecant theta. So clearly we can say that, friends, secant theta and cosecant theta range is nothing but total R, but except minus 1 to 1. So from this minus 1 to 1 open brackets we see minus 1 to 1, the values doesn't will be there, doesn't it never crosses in this region. The secant theta and cosecant theta will never come up. So based on this, we'll try to go for one more problem. Yeah, a very simple question I'll pose here, very simple question. So what is that? Which of the following is true? Which of the following is true? The first question is given like sine theta is nothing but 1 by 100, and second is given as cos theta is nothing but 1 by 200, and third one is given as tan is nothing but minus 1 lakh. Values are given like this, and fourth one is nothing but cosecant theta is given as 1 by 2. So which of the following is true? Clearly, friends, so sine theta is always less than 1, so this is okay, this is true. It is not our problem, so this is not the answer. And we know that cos theta is also always less than 1, this is 200, so this is not our answer. And tan theta is any value it will come up, it is not our answer. This always this is which of the following is question is like which of the following is false? Which of the following is false? So cosecant theta is nothing but 1 by 2 it is given. We know that cosecant value never lies between 1 and 1. It never lies between 1 and 1. So this is false, friends. This is not, it's never possible. So this is how some basic questions will be asked. So you need to answer the questions. So this is what trigonometry, basic trigonometry is about. We'll solve the problems in the next class. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. And if you have any queries, friends, just mail us at vfocusclasses@gmail.com and subscribe vfocus channel in YouTube. Thank you very much.